Do you think you missed out on the Meme Hash airdrop and that no other airdrop like it will ever come? I must tell you that you're wrong. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to an airdrop that's even better than Meme Hash and much easier to get started with. So I suggest you stay with me until the end of the video. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the differences between the Meme Hash bot and a newly released bot that's quite similar to Meme Hash. If you regret missing out on the Meme Hash airdrop, join me in this video as I introduce this new bot to you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to do so and hit the notification bell. Also, don't forget to check out our Telegram channel. Let's get started with the video. These two bots, Meme Hash and Fomo Hash, are structurally and operationally very similar. Before we begin, it's worth noting that the Fomo Hash bot is an official partner of the Bums airdrop. This Bums airdrop is a copy of the X Empire airdrop. The developers of this project have a history of creating high-quality replicas of other successful airdrops. When they saw an opportunity, they also replicated Meme Hash, creating a Telegram bot named Fomo Hash, which will provide us with airdrop tokens once the mining process is complete. From a visual perspective, these two bots don't differ much. For example, in the Meme Hash bot, your main dashboard looks like this, while in the Fomo Hash bot, the main dashboard looks like this. Currently, to start with the Fomo Hash bot, you need to pay a certain amount of stars. This amount may vary over time, possibly increasing or decreasing. Based on the experience we gained with Meme Hash, this price is expected to decrease over time. As more people start mining the tokens, individual mining output will decline, and the initial cost should lower accordingly. How the system works. The Fomo Hash bot operates exactly like Meme Hash, using your phone or laptop CPU to solve blocks and mine tokens in return. Under normal conditions, your device won't overheat significantly, as the bot typically uses around 50% of your CPU. However, if you want to mine more tokens, you can purchase one of these plans within the bot. A major difference between Fomo Hash and Meme Hash. In Fomo Hash, you can also mine collectively. This means one person can share their energy with others. In return, the owner of the energy gets 70% of the mine tokens, while the others receive the remaining 30%. This system benefits both parties. For instance, someone who has invested heavily to increase their energy can lend it to others who prefer not to spend as much but still want to mine. However, this feature is still in its beta phase, and the reward system may change in the future. One way to increase your energy without spending money is by completing tasks in this section, allowing you to boost your energy slightly. Fortunately, the roadmap and support for this project are clear. You can view the roadmap on the main page of the bot to stay informed about the project's future plans. Given that the Meme Hash project is nearing its end and is close to completion and listing, if we want to replace it with a new airdrop, Fomo Hash currently seems to be the best option. As I always say, I don't recommend spending money on Telegram airdrops unless the project is highly reputable. For Meme Hash, we were sure of its credibility because it's managed under the CEO of Bloom. For Fomo Hash, since it's an official partner of the Bums project and has a solid roadmap and good support, we can also trust this project. That said, the responsibility for this decision ultimately lies with you. Thank you for watching the video until the end. I hope we can profit well from this project. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow my Telegram channel as well. See you in the next video. Goodbye!